In this short tutorial, I will show you how to print a process. I have this process open in Skore, and I will click on the Print tab at the top of my screen. This tab shows me a print preview, and we will look in the further videos, we will look on how we can customize this printing. But for now, as I'm happy with the way it looks, I will just click the Print Now button, which will open a new window which is ready for printing. At this stage, I can use my browser options by opening the File menu and Print. Here I'm using a Mac, but it will be the same on Windows. It will open the printing menu, which you may be familiar with. At this stage, I can decide to save as a PDF or send the printing directly to my paper printer.